Copy and paste TikTok videos and earn $100 in a month. My name is Henry and I run 3 YouTube channels, of which the 2 of them I don't even show my face. Previously I told you about how to get 1,000 subscribers using the movie trick, and if at all you didn't watch these 2 videos, check the links in the description below for these videos so that you can get those 1,000 subscribers. Well, in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to earn $100, how to get $100 by copying and pasting TikTok videos. And in the same way, this will help you gain more than 1,000 subscribers. Alright, let's jump into the video. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with TikTok, so all you are going to do is to download those interesting or viral TikTok videos. After downloading them, the next step is to compile them, and with this you will need a video editor. What I mean by compiling is to add like 2 or more videos together. For instance, you see these TikTok videos, you might find that one video is just a few seconds, like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, but with this you're going to compile these videos and you make a video of at least 6 minutes or long, but not more than 10 minutes. Well, for those using phones, you may use a video editor called Kaise, and those using Mac or Apple, you may use a video editor called OpenShot Video Editor. This is free of charge. You can download it. For those of you who don't know how to download it, let me show you here. I'm going to download OpenShot here on my laptop. For those of you who are using Apple, you can also use iMovie. It's also free of charge. Well, most of these videos have got copyrighted music or sound in them. Just don't worry. With this, we are going to download some copyright-free music. Copyright-free music, you're going to get it from YouTube audio library. You just go to your Google search bar and type in YouTube audio library. You get them, or soundj.com or epidemicsound.com. After doing this, we're going to add our videos and the copyright free music in our project, as you can see here. For this case, let me use my OpenShot video editor and I show you how to do it. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. I'll answer you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. If at all this video has been or has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you tutorials which will help you get money easily on YouTube. Thank you guys.